Hey guys, it's Nico. We have two of these My Little Pony. I think they're by Funko. Yeah, so they're by Funko Pop. Here are options, and I'm super excited. These two are the rares. They're both 1 in 72. So the rest of them are all 1 in 36. Oh, wait, no, wait, sorry. I lied. Okay, so these, oh my gosh. So these up here are 1 in 6. These two are 1 in 12. And these two are 1 in 24. And then these two are 1 in 36. So, okay, we have some options here. I don't mind which one we get. So let's see who we get. And there's no pull tab, so we're just opening it as best we can. How's everybody doing today? Are you excited to see these? They are in a bag though. Okay, so actually, let me see if I have my handy dandy little opener here. And we'll close that back up. And let's see who our first one is. All right, actually, who did we get? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Which one did we get? Don't even know. I don't think we got the 1 in, no, we didn't. So we didn't get the 1 in 72. We got there's no like card or anything. We got the 1 in 6 of Rainbow Dash. She's so cute. She's adorable. I love her. Okay, let's open our other one. She does come with a stand, so but let's open our other one and see what we get for this one too. And then I will show you side by side. That was a good one. That was a really good one. Actually, so this one, wait, let's see. This one actually comes in a box, inside of a box. So, oh no, and it's like, see, it's like protected. Does that mean we got a special one? And let's see, there's no, oh no, the sand is in the bag. Okay. So that means, let's see what we got. Hopefully we didn't get a dupe. I don't think we would get a dupe. Oh, we did get a special. Look at this one. I can't remember this guy's name. Do you guys remember this guy's name? But we did. We got 1 in 36. So that's so cool. I don't remember his name. But look, he's got like little different colored wings on the back of him. And, oh, you know what else? Is he supposed to be holding something? Hold on. There's nothing else in it though. No, maybe he's not supposed to be. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think that is? You see that little thing on his, maybe it's just supposed to be there. I don't know. But here we go. Here are our two that we got. We definitely got to get more of these, right? Yeah, I think so. Are you guys My Little Pony fans? Like me? See you guys. Bye.